Hello guys, welcome to Daddy Share Space and welcome to my channel. So today I am installing new tail lights on my 2003 Dodge Ram 1500 truck. DIY is what I'm all about, and the last time I did this was probably about 3 years ago. I bought some LED tail lights on Amazon. They cost me around, I want to say $160 for the set. And this time I went back on and I've decided to buy one that's more like the OEM, that takes the three light bulbs as opposed to having the LEDs at the top. Now, the symptom that I had with the truck was when I would try to merge onto the right or turn on the blinker to go to the right, I would get the dinging noise, the annoying noise that you would get, or when I would put the truck in reverse, I would also get that annoying noise. So I gave it a few months before I decided to go ahead and do this job and change it out. I went online and I found some tail lights that are more like the OEM. It actually has the three bulbs that can be replaced. And I got those on Amazon as well, and they only cost me about just over 60 bucks. So these are those, and it has a very similar bar on the back, or I guess you would call it this control circuit. And you can see there's only one input as opposed to the one that I just took out, which had two separate inputs. So as you can see, there's three bulbs in there, and this is what I'm going to go ahead and put into the truck. It's a very simple install. Not quite sure how much it would cost for me to take this, like say, to the dealer or to a shop to do, but at $60 for the tail light, it's worth it doing it for myself. I only had the two screws on both, the top and the bottom on each side. Unplug the connector, plug the connector back in, pop the tail light in, and then reinstall the screws, and I was back up and running. I did not speed up this video so you can kind of see or get an idea of how long it takes. As you can see here, you just got the two screws that you have to put in, and then you're good to go. Now, once I install, I went ahead and decided to install the one on the passenger side first. And as you can see here, I'm checking to make sure the blinker works. And then I walked around just to see. And then I go back and I push on the gas or the brake pedal to make sure the brake lights are also working on this side. This was the side that was giving me problems. So now that it's switched out, I can go ahead and move over to reinstalling a updated tail light on this side, which is the driver's side. Now, this one has not failed, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyway so that it's matching with the other one. And I'm hoping that I get a little bit more longevity out of this one. I mean, at least if these fail, I can go to my local AutoZone and get bulbs. Something that I found out about the one that I'm uninstalling now, I had forgotten that it was LEDs. And so when the tail light started giving trouble, I went to my local AutoZone and I ordered an OEM bulb, or I bought one, brought it home, and then I realized, oh, it's LED. It doesn't accept that bulb, so I was unable to repair it or get it back working by doing that. So that's why when I decided to look up new tail lights for the truck, I wanted something that was closer to OEM. So I'll report back to kind of let you guys know if this works out better for me. But the bottom line is I did take it on a test drive. I had none of the dinging. Everything worked well. And for $60, like I said, perfect. This is a perfect situation for me, right? Very inexpensive. And definitely if this one gives me, even if it only gives me the 3 years, I'm happy with the end results. As you can see here, I'm checking the blinker. And I'm gonna go back again and double check and make sure the brake light is working, and it is. And yeah, so just a simple video showing you what I do as a DIYer. Thanks for taking time to watch the video. I'll see you in my next one.